Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. You may have just seen that I've put down some texture on my canvas here using some spackle, and I laid it on pretty thick, hoping it would crack a little more than it did. I got a few cracks here in the center. Maybe one little one down here and a couple small ones up here. But I was kind of hoping for lots of cracks all the way through. I laid it on what I thought was too thick, and it was not thick enough. So if you want more cracks, add more. If you want less cracks, make sure you're taking a lot off or not putting as much on. And I did that because I want to play with some paint and water only acrylics. I'm really enjoying experimenting with creating watercolor effects using acrylics. I've been watching lots of artists do this in lots of different ways. Joanne Bossman is obviously a huge inspiration for me. In fact, I joined her Patreon group so I could learn as much as I could about her process and how she does it. But of course, I don't want to copy her. I want to figure out my own style, but using the expertise that I've learned from Joanne and others. So I want to see what this looks like when I tilt these colors back and forth over top of a textured surface. So I'm going to put on some music for you. I have a loose plan, but I'm just kind of follow my instincts. So I'll put on some music for you while I play. So here we have our dry result. I'm super happy with this experiment. I love the way that the just paint and water flowed over top of the texture to create lots of blending in different areas, but it's still, you know, it's darker on this side and lighter on this side because there's more white over here and there's more of the indigo over here. So it created a little bit more visual interest, not just lines going back and forth. It has a very matte, very soft finish. It almost kind of feels like silk. It's really pretty. And I love these cracks because it kind of breaks up that pattern of almost like stripes going back and forth. It creates a little more visual interest that way. The Artist Loft Soft Body White gives it kind of a cloudy effect all on its own. And I think that worked out beautifully too. That manganese blue is a quite vivid color, but with the white and the indigo, it toned that brightness down a bit. And I think it's gorgeous. The Charvin Indigo though, oh my God, I'm so happy I started playing with that color. It's beautiful. Yeah, so I think this was a great experiment. I'm really happy I tried this. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.